how to visualise and negotiate a selection of Durham City junctions from different directions. The first junction turning right down to Southfield Way, which is the fourth exit down the A691. We've checked our mirrors. Centre right mirror, indicate right on approach and look to traffic coming from the right hand side. There's the first exit, second, third. As we pass the third, look left, indicate left and leave the junction, making progress down Southfield Way. Approaching the roundabout at the Land Registry and Hospital, we're going to cross the roundabout, taking the second exit. Looking right on approach, staying in the left-hand lane, look left, indicate left, continue and make progress down Southfield Way. At the bottom of Southfield Way, we're going to be turning right, third exit. You'll notice the road sign on the right hand side says we can approach the roundabout in either lane. Given the choice, left is best. As we approach the roundabout, look right, indicate right. Maintain indicating right, but stay in the left-hand lane. When the traffic's clear, make progress. First exit, second exit. Look left, indicate left, and make progress down Milburngate Bridge. The warning sign shows the road narrows on both sides and both lanes merge into one as you approach the railway bridge. At the bottom of the hill, we're going to turn left, taking the first exit. We're taking the first exit, which is the A690 to Sunderland. The current tutorial shows the roadworks on the left hand side, which has been there for some time. Where the cones allow, move into the left hand lane. This tutorial will be updated once these roadworks have finished. We're still taking the first exit across the Milburngate Bridge. Make progress to the left, and the normal driving position is the left hand lane. In a short while we're going to move moving over into the right hand lane. Blind spot, mirrors, indicate, and at the roundabout in front we're going to be taking the second exit, the A177. Signposted for Coxer. Right hand lane. As we come around the roundabout, we'll spiral left into the lane marked A177, indicate left, and cross the new Elvet Bridge. We're going to be going straight ahead. Following the arrows, we stay in the right hand lane. Remember in Durham to be ever aware of students, tourists, who may not follow particularly safe practice when crossing the road. Always be aware. Climbing the bank where the road forks, we're going to turn right, the right fork, mirrors, indicate, following signs for the A177. As we turn right, you'll notice the road becomes very narrow. It narrows from both sides. Remember, with the box junction, don't enter into it unless the exit is clear. The next part is approaching New Elvet from the universities. Same rule with the box junction, don't enter into it unless the exit is clear. At the end of New Elvet, we're going to be turning left at the roundabout, second exit, following the signs for the A690 and A691. Approaching the junction, we don't indicate left because we're not turning left up the clay path. Show caution crossing the Milburngate Bridge. The lanes here are very narrow. Approaching the next roundabout, we're going to turn right third exit, heading up the A691. The lane markings show the A691. You can turn right in either lane. Given the choice, left is best. Check your mirrors and indicate right. Show your intention that you are turning right at this roundabout. Past the first exit, second exit, look left, indicate left and make progress and carry on climbing Framwell Gate. Remember, traffic in the right lane will be merging with the left lane. Just be aware. This time we're on the A690 passing the Durham Viaduct. Cross the roundabout, second exit. Look right, look left, indicate left and make progress down to the roundabout where on this occasion we're going to turn left up the A691. Approaching the County Hall roundabout, we're going to take the third exit, the B6532, towards the hospital and Milburngate Moor. The left lane is only for taking the first and second left turning, the A691. The right hand lane for going towards Milburngate Moor. Look left, indicate left, and make progress up the hill. Approaching the roundabout, we're going to cross the roundabout and take the third exit towards Newton Hall and Milburngate School. On approach, stay in the right hand lane. Look left, indicate left, and then make progress down the road towards Newton Hall. Returning from Milburngate Moor on the A167, we're going to cross the next roundabout, third exit, the south. It's not a right hand turn. You're given the choice of either lane, but given the choice, left is best. Approach the roundabout. Look to your right. When it's safe to do so, make progress onto the roundabout. Look left. Indicate right here because we're not coming off the next exit. Look left, indicate left, and let's make progress down the road.